Ice Pilot School is a quintet of Kuka robot arms at Legoland Billund in Denmark. From a ride perspective, this attraction is a brilliant fit because it allows you to make the experience as mild or as extreme as you'd like, but beware this ride's capacity. Find out everything you need to know about this attraction in this review. This attraction originally opened as Power Builder, but was later rethemed to Ice Pilot School to fit in with Polarland. The ride experience never changed, but the exterior of the building received some ice effects to fit in with the adjacent area. More recently, the ride was closed for 2020 and 2021 due to COVID-19 restrictions because it was an entirely indoor attraction. While the exterior of the building looks like a drab warehouse, the interior does look exciting. You have 5 arms around a center stage, and it's downright mesmerizing watching the Kuka robot arms fling about. This is accompanied by some multicolored spotlights that make the whole ride very theatric. The biggest downside with this attraction is its putrid throughput. The ride has just 5 arms, each seating 2 riders. Since each ride takes roughly 1 minute and it takes about a minute to load this attraction, you're looking at an hourly capacity at best of 300 riders, which is absolutely awful for a park as popular as Legoland Billund. And in my recent visit, one of the arms was closed, further reducing this ride's throughput. It's also worth noting this ride is not part of the park's paid skip the line system, so the only way to avoid a long wait for this attraction is to head there first thing. Fortunately, it is in the very back of the park, so if you do go there first, you can usually get a few rides with almost no wait. Once you reach the end of the first part of the queue line, you're given a card and sent to a computer. There, you program your ride experience. You can select level 1 through 5, with 1 being the tamest and 5 being the wildest. Of course, I picked 5 every single time. Then you can pick 3 to 4 maneuvers for your robot arm to execute. This is different than the old Knights tournament that used to exist at Legoland, California, where you just selected the thrill level. Ice Pilot School let you customize the experience further with specific flips and stalls. This gave the ride more re-ride value to me. After designing your ride, you wait in a second part of the queue line leading to the ride platform. When it's your turn to ride, a staff member taps your card to your robot arm, and you're secured by a snug over-the-shoulder harness. Once the ride starts, it's absolute mayhem if you picked level 5. I swear I spent more time inverted than right side up. I got so much hang time as the robot arm held me upside down for seconds at a time. My favorite maneuvers were when the arm would rapidly fling you forwards towards the ground, or head over heels. You just had to watch out for a headbang or two from the abruptness. The ride is roughly 1 minute in duration, but it's an active and involved ride start to finish on level 5. Don't expect too much in terms of positive G's or laterals. This ride is all about the hang time and disorienting motion. While I didn't try the other levels, I saw a few people in level 1 that didn't flip once. It seems the low setting offers motion similar to Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey. So, what would I rate Ice Pilot School? I would give this fun flat ride an 8 out of 10. This is a unique ride that can offer a tame experience for young kids or a wild thrill for adults. I lost track how many times the ride inverted me on the highest setting. It's neat how you can customize your experience so no 2 rides are the same. Just know this ride is pretty short, and it can get a miserably long queue line due to its throughput. This is my favorite ride at Legoland Billund, and I wouldn't see the ride come to more parks. Hopefully just smaller ones that can handle the capacity though. So those are my thoughts on Ice Pilot School at Legoland Billund. What are your thoughts on this ride? Have you ridden this attraction, or one of these robot arms elsewhere? Let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, I'd appreciate it if you gave this video a like, and you considered subscribing, because there'll be a lot more roller coaster and amusement park videos here at Canopy Coaster. Thanks for watching.